This video will show you how to manually record a video and save the recording to your computer's local disk. Go to your camera's Live Video tab, locate the Settings section, and click on the Record menu. Next, click on the Browse button and choose your preferred local recording location. For this example, we will create a new folder called Foscam Recordings in the local F disk drive. Once you've chosen the recording location, be sure to save the settings. Go back to the live video page. You will see 3 icons in the bottom right corner. Click the second icon and it will start a recording. When you want to stop the recording, you can click the icon again and the recording will be saved to your set location. Navigate to your set recording location and you can see the saved video as well as play it back using your default video player.